Are you 55 or older and looking for a way to boost your income without working long hours? The Legacy Builders program is your answer. Our community empowers you with Master Resell Rights, offering easy-to-follow training, proven strategies to make 100% commission, and 24/7 support. Whether you're just getting started or already have marketing experience, we give you the tools you need to earn substantial income online, working just 2 hours a day from the comfort of your home. Here's why learning digital marketing matters. 1 in 3 older Americans face economic insecurity. Over 5.9 million seniors live below the poverty line, and 10% earn less than $10,000 annually. You deserve more. Let the Legacy Builders program help you take control of your financial future. Build a lasting income, work on your own terms, and leave a legacy for the next generation. Join us today and start your journey to financial freedom. Get started at www.totalmoneytimefreedom.com.